typhoon has landed on the Philippine Peninsula. According to the investigators in Pag-asa, it said that this typhoon has the power of PSW signal number 4, Rico. This typhoon is said that had killed over 200 people according to the investigation. This is said by Samuel Galliano from here in. According to the research of the Pag-asa, this typhoon is said has landed first or has straightly goes to Cebu. After going to Cebu, this typhoon is said has gone to Bohol and straightly going to Manila City and then to Taiwan Peninsula. As for the people who's living in these parts of the Philippines, I say unto you that prepare for a very, very large
Disaster.
typhoon.